Want to start a new business but have no idea of trends or product sourcing? Meet your new sourcing agent, but smarter, faster, and never sleeps. This is Accio, the AI sourcing agent that turns product ideas into real, ready-to-build plans. While other tools give you suggestions, Accio delivers suppliers, design plans, certification steps, and even sample timelines, all in one seamless conversation. Forget the endless supplier lists. Forget the cold emails, confusing spreadsheets, and language barriers. Forget chasing quotes for weeks just to end up more confused than before. With Accio, you go from idea to execution in minutes, not months. One prompt in, real progress out. So, let's dive in. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to work with Accio Agent, your personal AI sourcing agent. It's the biggest leap since B2B sourcing went digital. Finally, an AI agent that doesn't just search, it executes, coordinates, and delivers. If you can't wait to use it first, you can click the description link and use my personal code, AI Lockup, right now to unlock full access to Accio Agent. This is the Accio dashboard. Clean, simple, and no clutter. Your entire sourcing operation starts right here, in this one conversation window. First of all, we have to create a free account. Simply click here and then create your account. Once you are logged in, you are ready to boost your business. Let's walk through exactly how it works, step by step. First, click Agent Mode to activate the agent. Okay, next I want to give Accio a challenge. I'll walk you through exactly how a small business owner used Accio Agent to break into a trending market and how you can do the same. All you have to do is ask Accio clearly what you want. For example, let's say I'm trying to ride a hot trend right now. I might enter something like, since Squid Game Netflix Season 3 is popular right now, I want to design some products, clothes, bags, and so on, based on Squid Game. Help me figure out what kind of products can sell well and generate a product design image. Once the prompt is ready, click the arrow button from here. You can see that Accio automatically splits your instructions into different tasks, just like a well-trained army, 100% automated, saving you time and effort. You can customize the task if you want. Once done, just one click on Start Now, and Accio starts pulling insights from across the internet. It looks at search trends, product demand, relevant suppliers, and even design inspiration, all in one go. And just like that, the results are ready. First, Accio scans real-time trend data across platforms like Netflix, Time, and DRC World, and confirms, yes, this is a peak moment. Not only that, it identifies what kind of visuals and products are gaining traction, whether it's retro tracksuits, cosplay masks, or the now iconic geometric symbols. Let's see the complete result. It dives deep into consumer demographics and behavior, which allows you to accurately grasp the preferences of the target group. Then comes the visual inspiration part. Accio lays out a list of product concepts, like high-end varsity jackets, streetwear hoodies, and some supporting merchandise, such as totes, wallets, throw pillows. You can see the designs. They are just amazing. Now you can create a similar design and start your journey. Not only that, Accio even does a competitive product analysis for you and develops a phased implementation plan. Here you will find a phase-wise product development plan, distribution strategy, material innovation, and even a limited edition strategy. All of this generated in minutes. Let's be honest, this kind of end-to-end research and planning would normally take an entire product team several weeks to complete. But with Accio, it's right here ready to go in one click. Now let's look at something even more complex, helping a health entrepreneur expand their market. I am entering a ready prompt, where first I mention my role, such as, I am a health and wellness entrepreneur currently operating a successful line of organic protein powders in North America. After that, I explain my interest and the sector I want to explore, such as expanding into the nootropics and brain health supplement market. Then I mention what I want, like market research, finding trends, key demographics, and regulatory landscapes. Then I ask for product concepts and packaging visuals design. And finally, I ask to source reliable manufacturers and suppliers. Once done, hit the send button. Within seconds, Accio delivered a complete product analysis, current market trends, keyword heat maps, leading product categories, and top-selling SKUs. It didn't stop there. Accio even provides us with a product development strategy, like executives and professionals-focused blends, functional nootropic drinks, and natural cognitive formats. Then came the best part. It gave me a curated list of suppliers already manufacturing these formulas with written emails. I could sort, compare, and send inquiries instantly. In short, Accio didn't just give me ideas. It gave me ready-to-launch options, with suppliers, product mock-ups, and strategy all baked in. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how Accio Agent is transforming B2B sourcing. Whether you're developing new products, sourcing for complex projects, or trying to capitalize on trends, this tool can save you weeks of manual work. It's like having a sourcing team that works 24/7 and never gets tired of sending follow-up emails or comparing technical specifications. To sum it up, Accio Agent doesn't just hand you data, it gives you clarity and direction. You don't need to be a sourcing expert. You don't need to manage 5 tools at once. Just tell Accio what you want, and it takes care of the rest. The link is in the description. Go check out Accio Agent and let AI handle the sourcing grind so you can focus on building your business. I've got 100 exclusive spots to share. Use my personal code AI Lockup to unlock full access to Accio Agent and see what it can really do. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Accio Agent. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.